Hello guys, welcome to the Frontend Spark, and today we'll discuss about data types in TypeScript. Already I've been discussed about data types in JavaScript. You can just go through the tutorial. Here I'll just discuss about the primitive data types and I'll discuss two other data types, that is like AnyType and void type. So now the difference between the TypeScript and JavaScript in here is basically in the TypeScript we are just doing the statically typed for a variable. So that's why the syntax will be different from JavaScript. We'll discuss one by one. After that, I'll give you some example. So the Boolean type represents a logical value, it's true or false. That is Boolean, right? String means is used for the text data or like can be enclosed with a single quote or the double quote. That is string. The number basically it represents the integer or float. Null, it represents like whenever we want to define a variable with some intentional absence of that value, then we can define the data type as a null. Undefined, whenever we declare a variable but we didn't assign to any value to that variable, then we can just define the type of as undefined. What is any type? While writing the code, if we are unsure of the data type of a variable, then we can declare the type as a any type. It can be any type, it can be boolean, it can be string, it can be number, whatever. So we are not defining any particular type, that's why we are giving any type. What is void type? The void type is specially used for the function. When the function doesn't return anything, then we can use the void type for a function. So now we can just give some example to understand how it looks like. So if I'll try to declare the data type as a boolean, then it will be like is active. Then I'm giving the boolean. Then I'm just trying to define a variable here. So basically what I am doing here. So this is the variable name. Then this is the data type name. Like it can be boolean, like whatever. Now if I'll try to give an is active equals to string, then what happened? See, so it's throwing an error because I have declared is active as a boolean. Now I'm trying to just assign a string to this is active. That's why it's saying the type string is not assignable to type boolean. So that's the advantage of using the TypeScript. Now if I'll try to declare a variable like age as a number, then I can give 10, right? So in here, if I'll try to assign again the boolean, suppose, let's see what happens. See, the type boolean is not assignable to type number because I already defined the age as a number. So I can define the age, the number as a float also, like as one, then float, sorry, number, then I can give like 12.2 something like that. Okay. Now, if I'll try to declare a variable with string, then let's see, name equals to string. If I'm giving name Avi, okay, where? No, I'll give name one, fine. Now, in here, if I'll try to assign a number to name, let's see what happens. Yeah, the same. The type number is not assignable to type string. Now, if you want to declare a variable as a null, then we can simply define is null like is any island null, then null. Now, if we'll try to define to this null as true, see, the true is not assignable to type null. So, like whenever we'll try to declare a variable, then we should understand what the use of that variable and why we are declaring that variable in that particular data type. So now we can discuss like if we'll declare a variable is undefined, then simply you can define the undefined like name to undefined equals to undefined like that. Okay. If you want to declare a variable with any type, means it can be any type, then simply like let data list. So like whatever the data list is coming from the backend, I don't know like what is the type. Then you can give any type. Okay, I can give something string. Okay, later on, if I want to change, okay, no, the data list will be like number. then I can give 10. See, now we are not getting any error because I've given the type of any. That's why. So, okay, I have just assigning string to data list initially, then I just change to 10. That's why it's not throwing error because it's a any type. It can be any type. Now we can go for void, like the function call me Sandesh. Now, if I want to write the type of the function returning, then I can give a void. Okay. So this void means I'm not returning anything. Suppose if I return a number, then it will throw an error because I have given a void, but I'm returning a number. See, the number is not assigned to type void. तो मैं मान लो यहीं पे अब number return कर रहा हूँ तो then I can give a number here. Now I just try to run this file. Let's see. We'll give the tsc to compile the TypeScript file. Then data types.ts. Let's see what happened. So it just converted to the JS file. You can see just converted all the var, and that's all. Okay. So in that way we can use the data type in TypeScript. Step by step, gradually we can understand more about the data types. How can we use the data types? And thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe. We'll meet you in the next session.